one piece of advice. There's several that are coming to mind, but one that I just said was be the likable person. But if it was one though, it would be like, don't give up. Like, I know that sounds cheesy, but like, if you give it everything you've got, like everything, and I mean everything you've got. Like when I was going out to sell, I wasn't just going to like knock doors and hope that I like ran into the laydowns, you know. I was like studying everything. So that would be my piece of advice, would be give it everything you've got. You know, Kobe Bryant, we all know, he just passed away, and that guy's like I wasn't even a huge fan of his, but he's just like such a tenacious leader, and like everything he touches just turns to gold. And it's not because he's, you know, his name, it's because of how hard he works, you know. And he gave that good quote where he said, you know, rest at the end, not in the middle. And so give it everything you've got. Like study training manuals, take notes. Like when people would say no to me on the doors, I would literally take 30 seconds and be like, this is what happened, and I'm going to study it later tonight. I would take notes on every single person that said no so that I could get better encountering that next person. Like, where did I lose them? Like, where did the sale go south, you know? And so if you just give it truly and sincerely everything you have, you're not going to the movie theater during the, you know, working hours. You're not sitting on the curb. I was the guy that was the annoying guy that was like, I'm knocking doors until the car picks me up. So if it's 10 p.m., I don't care. I'm not going to sit on a curb and wait for somebody to come get me. Like, I'm going to be the person, they're all waiting in the car at the curb while I finish a sale, you know?
100%.
And
My car group hated me.
Yeah.
I'm not in Sam's car group. We don't get home till like 12.
Yeah. But you probably made an extra 50 sales as a result, you know, than they did.
100%.
So that would be my piece of advice, is truly and sincerely give it everything you've got. And everybody right now listening or watching knows what one aspect they're not giving it their all in, whether it be the studying or the staying out late or the getting out early, whatever it is, give it everything you got.
Love that.